Hey, and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we will compare Bitwarden and LastPass in 2025 as the best free password manager. If you are looking for the best password manager in 2025 for completely free, then watch this till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads, and let's get into this. LastPass provides a relatively basic security dashboard. Mine shows me an overall security score, an alert board for the really important security notices, and a dark web monitoring section listing which of my email addresses have been spotted in shady corners of the internet and should be monitored. These insights were enough to prompt me to update my main password and several of my other passwords, but they simply don't stack up to Bitwarden's multitude of security report options. Bitwarden goes the extra mile with its reporting. Unlike LastPass, the platform reports on which of my passwords have been exposed in a data breach, which unsecured websites I have saved, and which sites don't have two-factor authentication enabled. Bitwarden also gives the user more customization capabilities when generating and saving passwords. Both apps offer a really cool random password generator, but Bitwarden's has some unique features, including the option to create a username and passphrase and to specify a minimum quantity of numbers and special characters. LastPass comes with its own unique options, like generating passwords that are easy to read or say. Bitwarden's added customization options don't end there. The app enables users to enter multiple URIs, encompassing both URLs and URN/names, such as ISBNs, for its passwords. Despite Bitwarden's advanced features, its interface feels a little dated when comparing the two platforms. LastPass's interface displays all of your websites in a block layout using large logos that are more accessible. The difference in aesthetics is even more distinct when looking at both platforms' desktop applications side by side. LastPass's application is visually appealing and has legible contents. One of the most convenient aspects of using a password manager is that it automatically fills in your login credentials. If you only have one account for a website in LastPass, your credentials will autofill without you needing to lift a finger. If you have more than one account, just click the LastPass logo that appears next to user input boxes and fill the box with the correct info in 2 clicks. Bitwarden has a similar autofill feature, but it's not the default. Instead, you have to enable it yourself. But LastPass prioritizes user experience by making autofill as straightforward as possible. Bitwarden's next UX hiccup involves saving new passwords. LastPass's pop-up box asking whether you want to save a new password mimics Google's. It's attention-grabbing and clear. That was a basic overview comparison between Bitwarden and LastPass. With this in mind, you can easily decide what suits you and your workflow. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.